This is a short video on how to modify a quiz with differentiated release conditions in D2L Brightspace. In this example, we will use quiz availability dates, due dates, release conditions, and special access to control when students can access the quiz and when it is expected to be completed. From the home page, click on the module where the quiz is located. Click the quiz link. Once you are in the quiz settings, review the quiz details as needed. Expand availability dates and conditions. This section allows you to set the due date, start date, and end date for the quiz. The due date tells the students when the quiz is expected to be submitted. The start date controls when students can begin the quiz, and the end date controls when access to the quiz closes. D2L allows you to use these dates together to create a release condition for the quiz. To create a differentiated release condition, enter the start date as the date and time when students should first gain access to the quiz. Then enter the end date as the date and time when access to the quiz will close. Enter the due date to show when the quiz should be submitted. If the end date is later than the due date, students may still be able to submit the quiz after the due date, but it will be marked late. Next, in the same availability dates and conditions area, go to Release Conditions. Click Add Release Condition and then choose Create New. Release conditions allow you to create custom learning paths by controlling when students can see the quiz based on actions they have already completed. From here, choose the condition type you want to use. For example, you can require students to complete another activity, submit an assignment, achieve a score on a previous quiz, or meet another quiz requirement before it becomes available. If you need different access for specific students, click Manage Special Access in the Availability Dates and Conditions area. This allows you to assign different start dates, end dates, and due dates to selected students. This is helpful when a student needs an extended time window or when different groups need different access to the same quiz. After entering the dates and adding any release conditions or special access settings, click Save and Close. When these settings are used, D2L gives you a simple way to modify a quiz with differentiated release conditions and manage student access based on dates, completion, and performance.